Yeah. Hello all. Welcome back.
Yeah.
So in today's session, we will go through a new concept. Here it is nothing but
Mm.
pricing. What is that?
Pricing.
Pricing, right? So yeah. Okay. So before
Mm.
we are going into pricing, let me tell you how we can determine the pricing and what exactly the use of pricing here.
Mm.
Okay. So the pricing
Mm.
is based on condition technique. What is that? Condition
Condition
technique.
based. Mm.
So what do you know about condition technique? It is the process of determining the condition records into sales document. Okay.
Mm.
Condition records means previously we have created some condition records, right? With the help of the transaction VK11, and we have created
Mm.
the condition records.
Year
What is
double
that?
zero.
With the condition type PR00,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
That's what we have created for base price.
Okay.
Okay. See here, the condition technique is consist of what is this? Condition records.
Mm.
Condition technique consists of condition
Condition record.
records. Condition records will be stored in condition tables.
Mm.
Okay, and the condition
Okay.
tables will be placed in access sequence
Mm.
from most specific to most general.
Mm.
Then access sequence will be assigned to the condition type, and that condition
Mm.
type we will place in the pricing procedure. Okay,
Access
this
sequence.
is what entirely the process is. So now let me draw a
Mm.
small diagram, then you can able to understand. Okay,
Mm.
so let me draw a small box to the pricing procedure here.
Mm.
What we will place in the pricing procedure? Condition types, right?
Mm. Mm. Okay.
Condition types will be placed in the into the pricing procedure.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, then these condition types
Mm.
are assigned to access sequence, right?
Mm.
Access sequence.
Mm.
So here, what we will place in the access sequence? Condition tables.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
then what we use to maintain in the condition tables? Condition records.
Mm.
Okay, so the entire process here is called as, what is this? Condition technique.
Mm.
So are you clear?
Clear.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can note down this diagram.
Mm.
Okay, I will let you know how can we create pricing procedure and how can we place
Mm.
condition types into the pricing procedure, and how can we create the access sequences, and how can we assign access sequence to the condition type, and
Okay.
how can we create the condition tables, and how can we
Mm.
maintain the condition records.
Mm.
Okay, so I will let you know all of them, but for now you please draw this diagram.
Okay.
So here, let us come from here, condition records.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
condition records is nothing but it is a type of master data for pricing.
Mm.
Okay, we also call it as, what is that? Condition master,
Condition.
right?
Mm.
And what is the transaction we use to create the condition records?
VK11.
Yes, it's nothing but VK11.
Mm.
Okay, so here the next one
Mm.
is condition tables.
Okay.
Condition table is the combination of the fields which will help us to maintain the condition records.
Mm.
What is that?
Mm.
Condition tables. Condition table is a combination of the fields which will
Mm.
help us to maintain the condition records.
Okay.
So let me take some of the combinations here.
Mm.
Customer and material. This
Mm.
is one of the combination.
Mm.
Okay, and the second combination is price list
Mm.
and material.
Mm.
And the third combination is only material.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Mm.
let me show it in the screen here. If we go through the VK11
Mm.
and see, if we give our condition type here, PR00, so when you
Mm.
enter, you can able to see three key combinations, right?
Okay.
See, customer with material release status,
Mm.
and the second one here is price list, category, currency, and material with release status, and the
Mm.
third key combination is material with release status.
Mm.
Okay, so here you can select any one of them to create the condition records.
Mm.
Okay, so now let me take the first one here. What is the customer and material?
Mm.
So if we take the first one, then what will happen? See, let me click on yes here. See here what we have to give. We have to give our sales organization, distribution channel, distribution channel. In the same way, we have to give our customer here. See,
Mm.
we have to give the customer and we have to give the material here, for which we can maintain some price.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
and we take the second key combination here, this one. So
Mm.
how can we give the price here? We can give the price to the combination of price list, currency, and material. See, here
Mm.
the customer is not there. Sales organization distribution channel is common, and you have to give the price list and the document currency and the material here. Okay, and if
Okay.
we take the third key combination, material with release status, here how can we give the price? Only to the material. So what exactly the difference here is, as we have three key combinations, right? So if you would like to give the price of the material, vaccine 150, okay, as 150 rupees for the sales organization M100, and the distribution channel is M1 here. So if you maintain the price in the last key combination only to the material, then whoever is purchasing that material, for whom we will sell the material at 150 rupees. Okay, and if we have maintained this, okay, let me save it now. So the vaccine 150 price is 150 rupees. That's what we have maintained. And see here, customer with material. So let me take one of our customers, 667, I think, or else 467. See here, for the same material, vaccine 150, I would like to offer the same material to the customer here, to this customer at 100 rupees only, or at 120 rupees only. So now what will happen? Let me create one sales order. So here our customer is 4 6s and 7, right? And for whom, how much price we have maintained there?
120 rupees.
120 rupees.
120.
And for the rest of the customers, it will be 150, right? So here the material is vaccine 150. And if we go through the pricing here, the conditions, what is the price? 120 rupees, right? And if we change the customer here, then the price should be different, right? Because here for this key combination, we haven't maintained any price. So now let me go through the pricing again. See, what is the price?
150.
150 rupees. Okay. So I think you are clear with it.
Okay.
So the key combinations will be helps us to differentiate the pricing. So now let me go back. So what is the transaction to create the condition tables? It is nothing but V/03. Okay, this one. This is for creation of the condition tables.
Okay.
Okay. And VK11 is for creation of
Condition record.
Condition
Record.
records.
Mm.
So here we have seen three key combinations, right? For the what is this? Condition type PR00.
Mm.
So those key combinations will be given here in the V/03 in the condition table.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So now let me tell you what exactly the access sequence is.
Mm.
I will go through all of them, not an issue. See, here we can create the condition tables. I will let you know how can we create different condition tables.
Mm.
Okay, I will take a separate class for condition table creation.
Mm.
Okay, but for now, you have to know what exactly the condition type is and the condition the records are and access
Mm.
sequence is, what is the pricing procedure and how can we determine it.
Mm.
Okay, as we have already covered condition records and condition tables. Here the next
Mm.
one is access sequence.
Mm.
Okay, see
Mm.
what is the access sequence? It is a search strategy. What is that? It is a
Such strategy.
search strategy which
Mm.
will search for valid condition records
Mm.
from most specific to most general.
Mm.
So what exactly the meaning of most specific to most general? Here if we see PR00, we have seen
Mm.
three key combinations. One is customer with material,
Mm.
and the second one is
Mm.
price list material,
Mm.
and the third one is only material.
Mm.
Okay, so here access sequence will do the search from a most
Mm.
specific. If the price was specified only to the customer and material,
Mm.
if it is there, then this record will get determined.
Mm.
And if the record is not here, then it will go to the next one here. And if it
Mm.
finds any valid condition record here, then it will get determined into the sales document.
Mm.
And if there is no record exist in this key combination, then it will move to the most general, the last one here.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so are you clear?
Clear.
Okay, so in access sequence we will place the condition tables from most specific to most general.
Mm.
What we do in the access sequence, we will place the condition tables 871,
Mm.
872 or 842, whatever it may be. So this is the most
Mm.
specific one
Mm.
and the last one is the most general one.
Mm.
Okay, so we will place these condition tables in access sequence.
Mm.
Okay, so I think
Okay.
you are clear till here,
Clear, sir.
and if you have any queries you can ask me now.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
and we take one sample data here
Mm.
for the specific customers.
Mm.
Okay, see, let us
Mm.
take some of our customers.
Mm.
100551.
Mm.
So it is a customer number,
Mm.
Apollo customer.
Mm.
Okay, and
Mm.
100552.
Mm.
For example, Medibudi customer.
Mm.
Okay, so these two are the normal customers.
Mm.
And let us take one of our customer, nothing but a dealer.
Mm.
So as you know, I think the price will not be common for all. The price will be different for dealers and distributors and for also to the normal customers. I think you are aware of it, right? No company will offer the material at the same price to everyone. So see here 100,553 is the dealer who will falls under the price list. What is that? What do you know about price list?
Price list, base price, it comes under.
Yeah, price list will help us to differentiate the
Mm,
base price, right?
mm,
So the dealers will be comes under the
mm,
price list M1
mm,
and the distributor will comes under the price list
mm,
M2. That's what already we have created in SAP.
mm,
So here the customer is 100,554.
mm,
So this is the customer falls under the price list M2.
mm,
And for institutional customers, we will give a new price list that is nothing but M3.
mm,
So here who is our institutional customer? 100,555.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
So all of these people are purchasing the material. What is that? Vaccine 150.
mm,
So here what we will do now is we will differentiate the pricing to the customers based on price list as well as based on the
mm,
customer number. In the same way
mm,
to the other customers who are not maintained in this specific list,
mm,
who might be 100,556. Okay, the
mm,
other customer
okay. Mm,
is the other customer. Okay,
mm,
so now what we will do is we will create the condition records based on this.
mm,
Hence, we can find that in the sales document. We can differentiate
mm,
the price in the sales document.
mm,
Okay.
okay. Like if
Yeah,
for
yeah, ask me.
base price is there, no?
Base
For
price is there.
price, yeah. For dealers, one base price. Distributors, one base price. Like that,
Yes.
each one of them have one base price,
Yes.
right?
See, what we will do is for these customers, the price will be
Mm,
150 rupees.
mm,
And for dealers, it is 120 rupees only or 120 rupees only. And for
mm,
distributors, it is
mm,
125.
mm,
And for institutions, the price is 130 rupees. Okay. And for other customers here, it is 180
mm.
rupees.
Okay, these 150, 120, these all are base price.
Yeah, these are all the base prices. So
Mm,
now we will create like this in the SAP.
mm, mm,
Okay. So you can draw this diagram
mm,
because in future we will create based on the diagram which I have given here only.
okay.
And it's better you can create the
Mm,
customers with these numbers if system
mm,
allows,
mm,
or else you can create your own customers, but you
mm,
have to mention that if this customer is a dealer, you have to
mm,
mention the customer as a dealer.
mm,
Okay, then you will not get any confused when you are creating different pricing, what is this, different condition techniques, sorry, different condition records.
Okay.
And see, we are differentiating these customers, like this customer is a dealer and this customer is a distributor and this customer is a institutional customer. So how can we differentiate these customers? With the help of price list. So we will create a new price lists. One is M1 with the name specified dealer, and the second one is M2 with the name distributor, and the third one here is M3 with the name institution. So what we will do after creation of the price list, we will assign this price list to the customer in the customer master. Okay?
Okay.
Then whenever you are creating the condition records based on the key combination price list and the material, then whatever the price you have given here, that's what will be applicable to the relevant customer. So are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay then. So let me conclude the session for today, and I will create this entire flow in the SAP in the next class.
Okay.
Okay? And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now, or else you please go through the practice, means you please go through it, and if you have any queries, you can ask me in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir.